Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So last class we have discussed many things, and I told you to solve 2.1 as a homework. Now I'll solve on the board, and you compare your answer with my answer, and then we will go. Next, right? Let's practice 2.1. First one, write the number and number name represented by each abacus. So they have given some abacus picture also. We have to write numerals. These are called as spikes. Ones, tens, 100, and this is 1000. First, this is A. In first picture, 1 unit. This is also 1. Here 2. Here 3. So what we have to write? First spike, this is ones place. Okay? Ones place, one spike is having only one bit, in the sense it is 1, 1. So 1 unit. This is 1 tens. And this is 2 hundreds. 1000, 1, 2, 3. So the numeral is 3211. Okay? 3211. Write the number and number name represented by each abacus. So what is the number name? 3. First letter should be capital. T should be capital. 3000. 200 L1. Here E-V-E-N L1. See how to write the number name. How you will read the number, like that you should write in words. How to write? First letter should be capital, remaining all should be small, and there should be some space between word to word. See here, 3 after I left some space. Then 1000, some space. Then 211. Some will write like this. 3000, 211. Can you see this properly? Where are the words? No, this is wrong. So your handwriting should be neat. First letter should be capital. In middle should not write capital letters. Only the starting place. First letter of your sentence should be capital, and remaining all should be small. Okay? This is wrong. This is correct. Okay? Second one. You can see the pictures in your book. See, ones place, what is there? I'll write directly this numeral. Ones place, there are 3 bits, in the sense 3 ones. Then tens place, 2 bits means 2 tens. And then 100s. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000. Okay? The numeral is 6123. I am solving practice 2.1. You also should solve in your textbook as well as in your notebook. Okay? Now the number name for 6123. First letter capital. 6000. 100. 23. Okay, this is the numeral for B. This is B. Next, C. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay, in one spike, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In tens, please, there are 2 units. So 2 tens. Then 2 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4,000. So numeral is 4,225. Number name is FOUR 4,225. Okay. Next D. D ones, tens, hundred, and this is thousand. Ones place there are 2 bits. Tens place there are 3 bits. Hundreds place no 1 bits also. In the sense 100 is 0. Next thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits. Okay. Then the number name is 5,032. 5,032 is the number name for 5,032. This is first question. Let's go for second question. What is that? Represent the given numerals on the abacus. First was they have given the abacus. We have to write numeral as well as number. Now they have given just this picture of abacus. We should represent the units in each places. First one, A, ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. They have given 3, 2, 4, 6. B, ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. C, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So 1, 0, 3, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8. Okay. Represent the given numerals on the abacus. Represent the given numerals on the abacus in the sense they have given numeral now. We have to show on abacus 6 ones in the sense 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 hundreds and 3 thousands. Next, 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 tens in the sense we should not draw any units on tens place. Then 2 hundreds. 4 thousands. 4,208. Next, 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. 0 hundreds. 1,000. This is question number 2. And next, write the numerals for each of the following. They have given number names. We have to write numeral for that. Okay. Question number 3. Write numerals for each of the following. A. 3,237. 3,237. So we have to write numeral for this. B. 3,492. 3,492. 492. So they have given number name, we have to write numeral. 237. 7 is in one's place, 30 in the sets, 3 into 10, 30, then 200, 2 into 100, 200, then 3000. Now this one 3492 and C 3410. 3410. C D 7104. 7104. 7104. Next E 6018. 6018. There is no hundreds place, so write 0 in hundreds place. 6018. This is third question. They have given number name, we have to write numeral. First one is 3237. 3237. 3492. 3492. Next C 3410. 3410. D 7104. 7104. And E 6100. E 6018. So this is 6018. Next go for fourth question. They have given numeral, we have to write number. Fourth A 2314. B 9672. C 5001. D 1540. E 3130. Next fifth one. They have given these are called as numerals. See, this is in figure. We should write number names. So 2000, 2300, 314. 2314. Next 9000, 672. 9672. Next 5000. 5001. There is no numbers in tens place and hundreds place. So 5001. How your handwriting should be? First letter capital. Remaining all should be small. And then there is a space between one word to another word. Then your handwriting looks nice. T 1540. 1540. 1540. Next 3000. 3,130. 3,130. These are the numerals and these are the number names. Next, fill in the boxes with the missing digits. 5,348. In front of that, one box 1000, box 100, box tens, box ones are there. So which is ones? Ones place number you have to write. One I will show you. A 5,348 is equal to so what is 1000 here? 5. Which one is 100? 3. Then 4 tens, 8 ones. This is the answer. Next, B 7,204. So 7,200. So tens place is 0, then ones is 4. C 3,012. 3,000. Hundreds place is 0. See. Then tens place is 1. Ones 2. Next B 5,001. Thousands are 5. Hundreds are 0. Then tens also 0. Ones 1. Next, sixth question. Write the place value of given. Write the place value of each digit in the box. Next, A 2,485. What we have to do is we should write place value. You are very perfect on this. Okay, B 5. This is ones, tens, 100,000. 5 into 1, 5. This is tens, 10 into 8, 80. Or 8 into 10, 80. 4 into 100, 400. 2 into 1,000, 2,000. You should be perfect about places, ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Okay. Now see 5 into 1, 5. 6 into 10, 60. 3 into 100, 300. 1 into 1,000, 1,000. These are the place values. Next, C. First one is 5 into 1, 5. C. 8,065. So 5 into 1, 5. 6 into 10, 60. 0 into 100, 0. 8 into 1,000, 8,000. D 5,381. 1 into 1, 1. 8 into 10, 80. 3 into 100, 300. 5 into 1,000, 5,000. Seventh one. Write the place value and face value of the underlined digits. Okay, are you clear? See these answers with your answers. You have written as a homework. I hope you have written. So compare this and let's go for next question. Seventh. A So what we have to write? We have to write place value and face value. The questions are 2184, B 1986, C 3146, D 9810, E 8624, F 6280, G 1245, H 5249. Okay, these are the examples. We have to write place values and face value. They have underlined some digits. That underlined number we should write place value as well as face value. Now see, this is which place? Ones, tens, 100. 100 into 1, 100. The place value of 1 is 100. What is the face value? 1 itself. Face, whatever number is looking for us, that is only face value. Next, 6. Underlined number is 6. 6 into 1, 6. The place value 6 itself and face value is also 6. Next, underlined number is 3. Which place is this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 1000 into 3, 3000 and the face value is 3. This is 0. 0 into 1. 0. Face value is also 0. Tens into 2. 20. And face value is 2. Underline number is 2. 2 into 100. 200 and face value is 2. Next, 44. 5005. These are the place value and face values. Okay, you have to write neatly in your notebook. And the last one is form a number with 4 at thousands place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Which question it is? 8th one. Form a number with 4 at thousands place. Thousands place should be 4. 2 at ones place. 2 at ones place. 6 at tens place. And 0 at the hundreds place. Okay, now what is the number? Answer is 4062. Okay, this is 8th one. So we have completed the exercise or practice 2.1. I hope you all are how much place you are having in your textbook. Write there also and in your text notebook also. I want maths fair separately. It should be neat and it should be continuous 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 like that. I hope you are maintaining. One day I will check your all notebooks. Next, skip counting. I explained already about skip count, how it should be. Okay, next activity, page number 224. So this is activity. The greatest 4-digit number. Already I explained about this also. So now you have to write the answer. Activity. First one, the greatest 4-digit number. What is that? 9999. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Second one, the smallest 5-digit number. The smallest 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. Third one, 1000 more than 7,340 is 8,340. 1000 more than, it means whatever number is there, we should add 1000 to that. If we add, what will become? 7,340 plus 100, it will become 8,000, sorry, 1000. It will become 8,314 is the answer. Fourth one, the place value of 9 in 9,312. The place value is 9,000. Fine. You should write in your own. If you write, then only you have understood about the lesson. If you can't write the answers, then you did not understand the lesson. Okay? So try to write yourself all the answers. Fifth one, the even number out of 821, the even number out of 8,121, 1,843, 7,632. What is the meaning of it? Okay? What is the meaning of it? Read it once. See the question. Fifth one, even number out of 8,121, 1,843, 7,632. They have given 3 numbers. Out of these 3, we should write the even number as the answer. So, what is even number? The number which is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its ones place. So, you just check the ones place. Where is 0, 2, 4, 6? So 1 is there. Now this is odd number. 3. This is also odd number. Here 2 is there. So this is the even number. 7,632. Here see odd number out of 1,234, 5,613, 8,188. In these 3 numbers, you should take out odd number. So you should check ones place. This is having 4, this is even, this is having 3, so this is odd, this is also even. So the odd number is 5,613 is the answer. The number just before 7,000. Just before 7,000, what is there? 6,999. If we add 1 to this, we will get 7,000 as the answer. So, the just before of 7,000 is 6,999. Next, sum of 380 plus 120 plus 60. What is the sum of this? So, if you can't add this in row, you can write it in column. 380, 120, 60, then add it. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 to 16, 3 plus 1, 4 and 5. So 560. Okay. This is the sum. Sum is nothing but addition. Next, greatest number by 1, 6, 2, 9. These 4 numbers we should use, and we have to write the greatest number. It means the biggest number. 1, 6, 2, 9. We should write the greatest or the biggest number. Okay. So to write the biggest number, what we have to do is we have to write the numbers in ascending order or descending order. We should write in a descending order. Descending means first should be very big, then 6, 2, 1. This is the greatest number of these numbers. And write the smallest number by using 3084. To write the smallest number, we should write in ascending order. If we write 0, 3, 8, 4, sorry, 0, 3, 4, 8, it will become 348. But we can't use 0, but we have to use 0, so that how we should write this? First we should write 3, then 0, then 4, then 8. Now this is the smallest number of these numbers. Okay. Now activity has finished. Let us practice 2.2. What is there in 2.2? Write each of the following in expanded form. Do you have your textbook? Open it. Wherever I am reading, you just keep your finger on the lines. Okay. After reading, you should think that whether you can write this answer or not. If you feel that you can write, then you have understand the lesson. If you feel that I cannot write this, then you have not understood that concept. Okay. To understand this again, you have to see the previous videos on these lessons. Then you will understand, or else you can talk to me. I will clear your problem. You can contact me where you have problem, in which concept, then I will resolve it. Okay. Now let's read 2.2. This will be your homework today. You have to do this, and next class I'll solve this. We will compare your answer with my answer. Okay. Write each of the following in expanded form. You can write expanded form. Write each of the following in short form. They have given expanded, you have to write short form. Write the predecessor of the following numbers. So just before numbers you should write. Write the successor also you can write. Counting by twos, counting by tens, counting by hundreds, counting by thousands. Then fill in the blanks. The successor of a number is one more than the number. So answer is more. M-O-R-E. The predecessor of a number is one less than the number. So answer is less. So fill in the blanks. 9th question. First one is more. Second one is less. Third, C. Dash has no predecessor. Dash has 0 has no predecessor. Then the predecessor of the smallest 3-digit number is the biggest 2-digit number or greatest 2-digit number. Understand? The predecessor of the smallest 3-digit number is the largest or the greatest or the biggest. Write any one word. Write greatest. Greatest 2-digit number. The successor of the dash 4-digit number is the smallest 5-digit number. So this is also greatest. So solve 2.2. Once again I am telling you, solve 2.2 in your notebook. This is your homework. Okay. In the next class again I will solve 2.2 and then we will go for next concept of this lesson. Okay. I hope you all have understand. Thank you.